You crouch on it.
Naman to.
Oh,
We thought it was just better. Maybe tonight, in the morning we don't shower, and in the evening we do. And then just for the moment, we'll stick with the tower and try and protect it.
So our defense is quite good.
That's good.
Sisigaw ako tapos tatayo kayo.
Huwag kang nakakaranta ka eh.
Huwag ka maanakitis. Calm ka lang talaga.
Hanggang sa may narinig na kaluskos ang housemates.
Open, guys. Stop, guys. Up, everybody, up. Up.
Yan yung bola.
Get ready for balls, get ready for anything.
Yung kick mo,
guys.
coaches mo. Yan guys, doon kayo titingin.
Tignan, focus lang tayo, focus. Focus. Para din sa amin yung lahat kaya.
Keep your eyes on your area.
Yan. Alert ka lang talaga. Ikaw magkano sa lahat.
Yan.
The doors, guys.
Ano mo yung pintuan?
The doors.
Umopen doon.
Yeah.
Gosh.
Na.
Ang akala namin, nag-expect kami dun sa taas. May flying ball pa. Hindi, kuya.
Get down.
Get down, guys! Get down! We're doing that, guys! Guys! Sige lang. Ay, guys! Sabi dito,
Lapit-lapit pa nila.
sige lang, guys. Okay pa. Kaya pa. Konti lang ang babawas. Sige lang! Yung lipat mo yun!
Christian, what's up?
Magkasasindi lahat! Magkasasindi lahat! Guys, we can still fix this. Guys, konti lang. Wait lang, wag mo naman.
Mana to?
Guys, just start again.
Let's start again.
Napapagod po, pero hindi pa rin po mag-give up.
Alam ko na hindi tayo lahat. Pero, ito na yung last task natin. Kaya gagawin natin.
We've never given up before, so why start now?
Yeah.
At the very end.
Patuloy po namin binubuo po yung tore and then nag-isip po kami ng mga pwedeng gawing defense po namin.
I think kumot, banig. Tayo natin dito nang gagamit ng mga mabibigat na bola.
But guys,
Lagay na natin yun.
Local guard.
Sa ganyan ka, kahit dalawang tao mapoprotektahan yan. Kahit tatlo nga.
And then we'll hold it like that.
Ganyan.
Right now, we're just sort of experimenting, trying to do the best that we can.
No, I keep on hearing things, man, I swear.
Pero nang sandaling pumasok sa loob ng bahay ang girls,
No. Up. Girl! Get there! My! No, I saw that. Let's go! Girls, come here now! Let's go!
have to be sure.
May narinig kami, Tema, I
Nag-open, ang door.
Guys, watch out.
Meron yung? Meron?
So paranoid. We're on edge 24/7 now.
hanggang sinabayan ito ng muling pagpasok ng mga ninja.
Go! Stand up! On myself. Bola yan, bola.
Nasa gitna na naman kami at half na lang para matapos na namin. Meron na naman mga ninja.
Let's go! Wait. Listen, over you. Doors.
May tao doon sa roof, may tao dito sa baba. mga malaking bola.
Maprotektahan kaya ng housemates ang kanilang domino tower sa pagbabalik ng Pinoy Big Brother Lucky Season 7. Habang pinoprotektahan ng housemates ang kanilang domino tower mula sa mga ninja sa taas, nagulat ang housemates sa pagpasok ng ninja sa loob ng activity area.